Hey, quit. Hey, stop it, y'all. Stop kicking him. Stop kicking him. You fucking hear me? Stop. I'm gonna chuck you the fuck out if you don't stop.
Okay.
Get over against the fucking fence now.
Come on, police.
Get over there.
Come to police.
What? I can't understand. No.
I need police.
You can't get.
I need police.
What are you fighting for?
I need police.
Okay, what do you want?
No. Come to police. No.
Got towels or something?
Come to police, man. Come to police. No.
Hey. Okay, I understand.
Looks like he come over top of this culvert, busted all this stuff there. They come off right there. I believe the cause of it is that driver and his passenger fighting, because my guy just had to pull the passenger out of the truck. They were fist fighting and they're knocking each other out. I believe that was your cause.